feel like your English gets stuck in translation? You know the words, you've studied the grammar, but when you try to speak, it just doesn't come out right. You're not alone. It's like you're an English learner, seeing the world through a textbook, while native speakers are living in full color. You might say, I desire to purchase a beverage, which is technically correct. But a native speaker would just say, can I get a coffee? See the difference? One sounds like a robot, the other sounds natural, like a real person. This is a super common hurdle. You've got all this knowledge, but it's not connecting to real-world conversation. It's like having all the ingredients for a cake, but not knowing the recipe to put them together. You end up sounding a bit stiff. You might use super formal words when a simple one would do, or your sentences might be perfectly grammatical, but just not how people actually talk. For example, instead of to whom am I speaking, a native speaker would just say, who's this? It's all about the flow and the feeling. So, how do you bridge this gap? It's not about memorizing more vocabulary. It's about understanding context, culture, and rhythm. Think of it like this. A professional interpreter doesn't just translate words. They translate meaning and intent. They know that a direct word-for-word translation often loses the soul of the message. They find the equivalent expression that carries the same weight and feeling in the other language. That's your goal? Start by listening more actively. Watch movies without subtitles. Listen to podcasts, and pay attention to how native speakers phrase things in everyday situations. Notice the slang, the idioms, the little shortcuts they take. Don't be afraid to copy them. Mimic their intonation and rhythm. Instead of just studying English, start living in it. Immerse yourself. It's this immersion that turns textbook knowledge into a living, breathing skill. You'll go from sounding like a learner to speaking like a local. Was this helpful? Let me know in the comments what you struggle with the most. And if you want more tips on how to sound more natural in English, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.